These results are specific to this individual only. Individual results and activity levels after surgery vary and depend on many factors, including age, weight, and prior activity level.
If I'm not active every day, it's depressing. I need to get out there. I need to feel the outside endorphins, constantly hiking, backpacking, doing all kinds of things outside. We just love to do active things. My wife and I are very strong about doing that. We love doing this together. I remember the first pain I started having was right around when I turned 50. Maybe it was just that lucky number that triggered it, but I started noticing pain in my left knee and my right ankle. The knee pain became more acute than the ankle. And as soon as the knee pain was resolved, the ankle became very noticeable. I was trying to ignore it as much as I could and hoping it would go away. Didn't want to consider a surgical option because I knew that a fused ankle was probably the most popular thing that was done in the past, and didn't want that to happen. I had to really curtail a lot of the walking, especially with the dogs, because I just couldn't do it. I'd get a half a block away and say, Gail, I'd have to stop. I think the tipping point for me was a golf match in Colorado, and during that match, something snapped. I did some twisting or something with my ankle, and I remember trying to walk to dinner that night, and I basically couldn't walk. I had to stop several times because the pain was so severe. I went to my knee specialist, who referred me to the orthopedic surgeon who could do ankles. He specialized in ankles, and that's all he did. So I went to see him in October of 2014, and he recommended the total ankle replacement. And he said basically that my leg bones had collapsed on top of my foot, and I was a prime candidate for an ankle replacement. I received my Infinity ankle on February 23rd, 2015. My expectations for the surgery were, at best, maybe I could walk without pain. I never thought that I would be able to walk and hike like I've just been doing over the last couple of weeks. I mean, I've got my ankle back to where it was in my mid-40s. Unbelievable. I can tell you what, I never expected to be able to be this mobile, this pain-free. It's been about 5 months since my surgery, and I feel great. I feel like I can do things I could 15 years ago. It's exhilarating. I feel like I'm mentally sharp. I'm physically in shape. I can do virtually everything I could 15 years ago. It's a wonderful feeling. I probably hiked on our vacation in Bryce Canyon, the Grand Canyon, probably over 20 miles in the last week and a half. I couldn't have done that even 10 years ago. Now I could. And talk about a sense of accomplishment. Just knowing I could still do that at 58 is wonderful. I feel like I've got my physical wits back to me. I've got my mental sharpness back. I've got a life back that I used to have that was fading away over the years with the pain. With the Infinity ankle, I've totally got my life back in order.
There are risks and recovery times associated with surgery, and there are certain individuals who should not undergo surgery. Only a physician can tell you if this product and associated procedure are right for you and your unique circumstances. Please consult with a physician for complete information regarding benefits, risks, and possible outcomes.